This tutorial is going to show you how to migrate web pages from last year's classes into this year's classes. We're going to start by logging into Veracross through Summit's web page, through the email and portal login. Once you're logged in, you're going to go down to the class you want to migrate the web page to. In this case, I'm going to choose Science 1 for this year's class, and I'm going to go to Manage Website. The landing page is the website homepage. This is what your parents and students are going to see when they first check in to see what web page you have. In my case, I just have a simple welcome message that shows them a little bit about what the course is about. If you remember yours from last year, you can certainly just type it in. If it's your first year, you can just type it in that way. If you want to use the one you used last year, what you're going to have to do is pull up that page. Josh has sent an email called Class Websites. And it's check your email, click on the link, and it's going to open this particular window. And every single person, teacher's web page link is going to be listed here. So what you're going to want to do is find your name, and I will find mine. So here's my name right here, and I'm going to choose Science 8. So once I click on the website link over here, it's going to appear in this bar at the top. I'm going to highlight that and copy it. I'm going to open a new tab and paste that link in there. And that's going to take me to last year's web page. From here, here's my welcome message from last year. I'm simply going to highlight it, copy it, go back to this year's page, and paste it in the welcome message. Once it's in there at the bottom, I can either save it to just this particular section, but since I have 4 of them, I'm going to save it to all active sections, and this way I won't have to do this more than one time. Now, every single time, whether it's first period, second period, third, or fourth, they'll all have the same welcome message. If you have pages from last year that you want to migrate over, for example, I have a Twitter feed page and a Classroom Expectations page. You'll have to create new pages for this year's class and then copy and paste the information into them. So what I would do is I would go to this year's class. At the top we have homepage, posts. I'm going to click pages. I'm going to click new page, and I'm going to do classroom expectations. So I've created a page for this year. Now I want to add to this page the formatted text that I had last year. So I'll add to page, formatted text. And then I'm going to go into last year's class. I'll click on Classroom Expectations. And here are the expectations from last year. I'll do the same thing. I'll highlight, copy, and then paste it in. I'll then hit Save. So the page is done. And then in order for them to see it, you have to publish it. So we'll click on Publish, and then it's going to ask you if you'd like to publish this particular page to other sections you have. So I don't have to do this 3 more times. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then click Post Page, and now this expectation page is on every single section of my 8th grade science class. And that's it.